Good day and God bless. I am John Henrik Biorapa from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Today, we are going to make a pumping heart model. There are materials to be used which was mentioned in the module, which are 2 empty plastic bottles with lid, water, a drinking straw, a scissor, marker, tape, red food coloring, clay, and lastly, a tray or a container to catch any spills. There are procedures being mentioned in the module, but let's just skip on it, which I'll be showing you the easy way on creating the pumping heart model. So now, let's start. So first, we'll be using tape, and let's write the left ventricle and left atrium. Now, let's cut. Let's cut the tape. And this will be the result. Left ventricle and left atrium. Now, let's put these two labels into our 2 empty plastic bottle. This will be the left ventricle and this will be the left atrium. Next is the drinking straw. We will be assembling this 3 drinking straw into connected one. So the result will be like this. As you can see, these 3 drinking straw is being connected to each other. I used the clay to seal any opening air or area here and here. As you can see, sealed away and sealed away. So now we'll be getting some water since the water here is not enough. The water here is still transparent, so now let's put the food coloring into the water. This food coloring is color red, as I've mentioned. Next is to put the water here filled with red food coloring into our left ventricle. Okay, as you can see, the bottle labeled with left ventricle is now filled with water, filled with red food coloring. So now, let's put this connected straws into our two empty plastic bottle. To seal it away, we'll be using this clay. We'll be using you need to ensure that there is no opening area that the air will get inside the bottle. So now, the other one. Okay, so now it is ready. Let's try it on. Okay, this is the pumping heart model that I created. Let's squeeze the left ventricle. Let's see if the water filled with red food coloring will transfer here in the left atrium. Okay, let's observe the drinking straw. If the water filled with red food coloring will transfer through the connected straws. Okay, it seems the created pumping heart model is working. As you can see, the water is transferring. Now, the left atrium that is empty before is now have some water. Let's continue squeezing the left ventricle to prove that the water is transferring. Okay. And this is my observation during the activity. So now, I'll be squeezing again the left ventricle bottle. What I noticed during the squeezing of the left ventricle bottle, I noticed that the water representing blood is pumped through the straw. And this is the connected straw to the left atrium. This mimics the action of the heart pumping blood to the left atrium from the left ventricle. Now, let's proceed for the discussion of the role of the heart, its circulation, and chambers. The heart plays a crucial role in pumping blood throughout our body. It consists of 4 chambers, which are 2 atria or singular atrium and 2 ventricle. The atria receive blood returning to the heart, while the ventricles pump blood out of the heart. The right side of the heart receives the oxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation, while the left side receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it to the rest of our body. In blood circulation, it involves this continuous movement of blood through the heart and blood vessels. Oxygen-rich blood is pumped from the left side of the heart to deliver oxygen and nutrients to all tissues in our body. The oxygenated blood returns to the right side of the heart to be sent to the lungs for reoxygenation. These cycles ensure that all cells receive vital oxygen and nutrients while waste products are removed. These are the key points emphasizing heart's importance in blood circulation. So first, the heart acts as a powerful pump that propels blood throughout our bodies. Second is the atria received blood, while ventricle pump out blood. Third, blood circulation ensures oxygen and nutrients reach all cells while removing waste products. And lastly, proper circulation is vital for overall health and organ function. And that would be all. Thank you.